Hi everyone, this is Mike's Moto, and we will continue to test the limits of the new NWOW ERVS4. And in this challenge, we're going to do the O-Curve Challenge, which will test the e-bike's performance and maneuverability pagdating sa curve roads.
Ida-drive natin ito sa different speeds para makita natin hanggang saan kaya ang kaya ng ating bagong unit pagdating sa torque, output, and stability during sharp turns at a high-speed driving.
Are you ready? Let's begin the O-Curve Challenge. Sa first difficulty, aalamin natin kung paano mag-perform sa O-Curve ang ating ERVS4 at a speed of 10 km per hour.
At low speed, the ERVS4's torque output is gentle and the vehicle remains highly stable, easily making turns without any noticeable body lean.
Gusto nyo bilisan natin? Try naman natin 20 km per hour.
At 20 km per hour, the ERVS4's torque output increases and there is a slight body lean during turns. However, it maintains good balance and smoothly handles the curves.
Kahit sa medium speed, smooth pa rin ang handling ng ating ERVS4 and it comes with great flexibility and control. Now, let's take it up a notch at a high speed of 30 km per hour.
At high speed, the ERVS4 shows strong torque output. Although there is more body lean during turns, it maintains balance well. The design of the frame and chassis helps it navigate sharp turns smoothly. Even at a high speed of 30 km per hour, it maintains balance, showing impressive handling capabilities.
Sa challenge na ito, nasubukan natin ang performance ng ating ERVS4 pagdating sa torque at cornering control. Kahit na low, medium o high speed, the ERVS4 showed incredible performance during sharp turns. But we don't recommend this especially at high speeds. Today's O-Curve test showcased the ERVS4's good stability and performance. Thank you for watching! See you mga ka-NWOW!